What you saying, people? Back with a bang. This is the Money Management, back with another video for you guys today. Now today is Monday, that means I'm here to bring you guys your money motivation just like every single Monday. And today's message is a simple one. This week, do what you do not want to do. It's not about doing what you want to do this week, it's about doing what you need to do. So be prepared to do the things you don't want to do. So of course, just like I say, every single Monday I'm here to motivate you guys. And today I really want to emphasize the point that I'm trying to make here, which is do those things you don't want to do. There are a lot of things we don't want to do, but we know we have to do, and that's just part of life. So we'll dive into all of that in a second and doing what you don't want to do. But first I want to say, do what you do want to do for a few seconds, which is hit that thumbs up button. You guys like hitting that thumbs up button, so do that, because you guys know you want to do that, you guys do want to do that. If you guys don't want to do that, there's even more reason for you guys to do that today. So hit that thumbs up button. As always, please make sure to comment on this video. Continue to let me know what you want to think about the video. Continue to let me know if you want me to check out your channel, whatever you want to comment. As always, just comment and say something. Add to that, please make sure you guys are sharing these videos with your friends, letting them know they need to do what they don't want to do this week, letting them know they need to do what they need to do, and while you keep them responsible, while you keep them accountable, they'll do the same to you guys. That's how it works, that's how friendship works, that's how we get closer to our goals, our dreams, all of that. But also, I do want to make sure you guys are hitting that red subscribe button if you're new around here. We're almost at 900 subscribers, so that's pretty good. You know, we might get to 1K in the next few weeks, who knows. But like I said, please make sure to hit that red button if you're new around here. So now let's talk about doing those things you don't want to do. For some of you, it's a Monday. You don't want to go to work. You know you're going to go to work, so that's not a big deal. But for some of you, it's getting up early. Some of you guys, it's avoiding unhealthy foods. Some of you guys, it's going to the gym. Some of you guys, it's stepping out, doing homework. Some of you guys, it's working on your goals, your dreams. You guys don't want to do those things, and I completely understand that. But there are times in life, it's not about doing what you want to do. It's about doing what you must do, what you need to do, what you absolutely have to do. Getting out of your comfort zone is a part of that. I talked on Saturday about, how it's important to get out of your comfort zone. If you don't get out of your comfort zone, you're not going to get very far. If you don't do what you don't want to do, you're not going to get very far. The things you don't want to do, but you need to do them, you're going to have to do them. It's as simple as that. You might not want to, but you might know you need to. And in that case, the right thing to do is to do them. As you guys know, last week I took a few days break, had a mini vacation, hung out with people, had a great time. And I liked doing that, I enjoyed doing that. But then I came back. I didn't feel like, starting to work on my goals and dreams again, starting to get back to making YouTube videos each and every day. But I have to do that, that's a part of it. That's what I signed up for and that's what I gotta do. You guys are the same thing. If you guys know you wanna lose weight, you better start running on that treadmill. You guys know you wanna lose weight, you gotta start avoiding those bad foods. You guys know you wanna save money, stop spending money. You guys know you wanna get better with your finances, start improving when it comes to your finances. There are so many different things that we do not want to do. But like I said, it's important that we do them. And again, I'm here to remind you that. You're going to feel much better when you do those things. You're going to feel way better when you get those things done. There's never a time you regret, doing those things that you know you should have done. There's never a time you regret that. For example, if you have to get up early tomorrow and you hit your alarm, you hit snooze 5-10 times. You might regret that because you missed your appointment, you're late to work. If you get up early without hitting snooze, I guarantee you're not going to regret that. You save yourself so much time, some pain, all sorts of, I don't know what may happen because you hit snooze. You save yourself from all that. No drama. You went to the gym. You took the steps to going outside, doing some exercise, running, doing some calisthenics, some cardio. You don't regret that after that. You avoided having a donut. You took a piece of fruit instead of eating Doritos. You ate a salad instead of a pizza. You will never regret doing that. I know for a fact that you will never regret doing that. I can tell you that again. You take good decisions, you make good decisions, you avoid bad choices, you're not going to regret that. It may feel bad before you do it, and that's perfectly normal, that's human nature. But by the time you've done it, you're going to be so happy that you did it. And to be honest with you, okay, maybe there's time that you're not happy you did it, but you knew you needed to do it and therefore it was fine. It's just like going to the dentist. You already know you're going to have a checkup on your teeth, see what's going on. And you don't really like, what they're doing inside your mouth, but it's a part of what they need to do to make sure that your gums are healthy, to make sure that your teeth are doing well, you have no cavities, all that kind of stuff. And that's the same for everyday things, whether that's going to the gym, avoiding bad foods, putting down a cigarette, being healthy, working on your goals and dreams, being on time for work, getting your schoolwork done, studying, learning, whatever it may be. You got to do those things that you don't want to do to get to where you want to get to. It's all a part of it. Those obstacles, those tests, those hurdles, those inconveniences, that extra effort, all of it is a part of the game. If you want to get somewhere, you want to be successful, it's all a part of the game. Now, of course, this is the money management, so I'm going to relate things back to money. It's completely normal. You wanted to start investing in the stock market 2 weeks ago. You wanted to wait for the right time. You wanted to start investing 3 weeks ago. You wanted to invest when you heard Tesla was doing this. You wanted to invest when you heard Facebook was doing that. Well, now you've seen that they've done this and that, and you still haven't invested. So this week, you're going to start looking at steps, you're going to go into a plan, and you're going to invest. And here is a different situation because unconsciously you don't want to. You think you want to, but unconsciously you don't want to because you're too scared to make the step. You're too scared to take the risk. Well, this week, you should go and do that. You might win. You might profit. You might come away with losses. But you try that. You make that first step. You actually do something. You don't just hang out and wait around like you've been doing. You actually take the step to trying something out this week. There are so many opportunities out there, and people often don't prepare for those opportunities. And then when the opportunities come and they miss them, they're like, oh, why didn't I get this? Oh, he's so lucky he did that. Not really. They did the things they didn't want to do, which was maybe risk losing some money. They did the things they didn't want to do, which was maybe saving some money, you know, avoiding bad foods, maybe not going out for a week or two, maybe making decisions that other people didn't want to make. And when opportunities come along, they have enough money, they're healthy enough, they meet the right people, they get the right connections. Their luck starts to work out for them. That's all a part of it. So it comes back to doing what you don't want to do. And again, I want to push you guys to do what you don't want to do this week. So if you've been slacking in any area of life, weight loss goals, YouTube channel, content creation, making money, saving money, living life the right way, being on time for things, being punctual, it's now time to start doing those things. You didn't want to do them, you got by, you got comfortable. We're not doing that anymore. This week, not only are you going to make a difference, not only are you going to change things, but you're going to do those things you do not want to do. You know what you got to do, you go out and do it. That's all a part of maturity as well. Knowing what you need to do and doing it. You know, doing what's best for you in the long run. Not having a short-term perspective, but having a long-term perspective. Seeing, you know, further a year down the line, 5 years down the line, 10 years down the line. Delaying gratification is important. Seeing past what's going to happen in the next 5 minutes, you know, 1 hour, that small sense of happiness, that short-term happiness. Seeing past all that, having a focus, you know, a long-term focus. 5 years from now, again, like I said, 10 years from now. Missing all these gym exercises, not stretching, you know, not taking care of your body. Yeah, you're fine, you get away with it when you're 20, 25. Watch when you're 40, watch when you're 50. How your back's doing, how your joints are doing, how your muscles are feeling. You might end up regretting the things you didn't do, you know, the actions you didn't take. And that's what we don't want to do. We don't want to do that kind of thing because we on this channel are high aspiring people. People with big goals, big dreams. People want to be successful. People want to do things the right way, take care of ourselves and become better. So that again goes back to doing the things you don't want to do. I'm sorry, but that's what it is this week. We're going to do those things we don't want to do, but we know we need to do them. Like I said just a moment ago, you know, that long-term perspective. Seeing past the 5 minutes of, you know, what these decisions will make. Seeing past what will happen after these 5 minutes, you know, after those different decisions you make, you know, what will happen not only 10 minutes from now, not only what will happen 5, 10 minutes from now, not only how you feel an hour from now, but how you feel in 2 days, 3 days, 4 days. Will you look back with regret? Will you look back disappointed in yourself? Did you come this far and then, you know, take 5 steps back? Did you get all the way here and then, you know, mess it up? If you put in all the effort to get here, you put in all the work, the time, the effort to get to where you are now, don't lose it, don't ruin it, don't mess it up now. You built yourself a lead, you've got yourself ahead, you've put yourself ahead. Don't slack and, you know, waste it all. Do the right things that are gonna push you to become better. Again, do those things that are gonna benefit you 5 years later, 10 years later. Do what's best for your financial future. Do what's best for your health overall, your lifestyle. Not only, again, what's happening right now. It's not about the here and now, it's not about doing what we always wanna do. It's about doing what we have to do. It's about having that long-term perspective. So I know you guys all have different things to do this week. And again, it's your reminder, you go and do them. Don't slack when it comes to your schoolwork. You got that homework, don't procrastinate. You gotta be somewhere on time, you gotta be punctual. Don't hesitate, don't put it off, don't wait around. Do things which your future self will thank you for. It is that simple at the end of the day. So as always, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please, if you're not, check out the past couple of videos. Yesterday we talked about gaining knowledge, learning. That's a great video. If you guys wanna put yourself ahead, go and check out that video. On Saturday, we talked about a few different things which are going to hold you back from becoming rich. So you go check them out. Includes a few of your favorite things such as Netflix. So like I said, check that video out. Add to that, we have a lot of different things going on in the description below. Check out those links. We've got Time Gear Watches, my smartwatch company for men's, women's, kids, whoever it may be. Just go and check them out. We've also got free cryptocurrency and free stocks if you sign up through my links below. Add to that, we have affiliate marketing for my smartwatch company. Check that out as well. But like I said, I hope you guys understood today's video, the message of today's video, the message behind it, and what you need to do going forward this week. Again, it's Monday. It's the first day of the week. Start the week strong, get up early, be healthy, be fit, be active, be innovative, do things that you need to do on this Monday. Do things that your future self will remember you for, will be happy that you did. But overall, I hope you guys have a great day today. Go out, be great. Today's the first day of a great week. Have a blessed week, everyone. Thanks a lot for watching today's Monday Motivation. I got Monday Making. You got things to be doing that you don't want to be doing. See you guys tomorrow for another video. Peace.